Hey everyone! This quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. So, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the top right corner. Click on the three dots to open the menu. From the list, scroll down and click on Settings. Now on the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. Then scroll down a bit and click on Site Settings or Site Controls. Under the Content section, find and click on JavaScript. Here, make sure it's set to sites can use JavaScript. This is the default and recommended setting. You can also scroll down to customize behaviors like blocking or allowing specific sites if needed. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled JavaScript in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. This helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.